Hello people, good morning. So trying to look at BankNifty levels for today's expiry. So this is a monthly chart for Nifty Bank. So let's take a look. Nifty Bank gave a nice up move towards second half yesterday. So I think the nearby, if market continues to be bullish based on what's happening in elections, and if the overall markets like what they're saying, so if we are bullish, then this is what we're going to aim for the short term. So nearby, I think that's the draw. And on the downside, I think this is still a draw as well. So again, let's put this volume imbalance as well. In case market bearish hoti hai, then all these lows will be the target. But yeah, we'll wait and see how market is reacting based on all the news which is incoming during the India times. We'll see. Let's switch to weekly. Weekly is a small imbalance which is happening because this week is still in progress. I will not mark this, but yeah, something you can keep a check. This level of 51,800 and 51, basically 700. Just keep that. Just observe what's happening. Market starts to come towards that. So nearby this high and this low as well. Market ऐसी range में है, so extreme ends हैं, and then this volume imbalance as well as the fair value gap जो basically जो pending है अभी. So that is also a draw. So let's shade. Yeah, I think weekly and monthly, these are the levels. Let's switch to daily. A nice bullish move market gave towards end. So nearby, I think this basically 29th October's high is pretty near. So that as well as 21st October high, I think all this will become targets based on the news. And there's this gap as well. We have been tracking this gap for many weeks. Looks like it might be a target. Yeah, and then this overall fair value gap, but I'll be focused on this fair value gap, but then there's this volume imbalance as well, so mark that as well. And yeah, this and this day high is pretty close, so this is covering. Downside, I think this is volume imbalance and fair value gap. Yeah, and let's switch to 4 hours. Uh, 4 hours also, I think there's volume imbalance on the downside. There's no body in this area, so it is a good point to mark. But again, after this move, I'll let at least half of this candles move before taking any sell side trade. So Suddenly all things are looking positive, but we'll see how news flow kind of impacts the markets. 1 hour देखते हैं. 1 hour में this huge bullish fair value gap that got created yesterday. So let's mark that. So that is that. And like regarding the gaps, like if you see, we have been marking this gap from many days. It was clear there was no trading in this gap, and see how beautifully market has filled. So, and now we know there's this gap on top, so you can always base your trades upon these obvious points which market creates. Again, gaps is nothing which ICT kind of shared. It's always been there in the markets, and ये कॉमन अंडरस्टैंडिंग है कि अगर बहुत गैप है मार्केट में तो मार्केट जनरली विद टाइम फिल करती है. बट if you have these on your chart as targets, then I think you can take trades in that in the flow in which market is going towards these targets as gaps. So it's pretty important that we mark like even if you see this, there was this small little gap on 1 hour which beautifully got filled yesterday. So if I'm riding this move and I know there is this gap, I can just start to take off my positions once this target is reached. And मैंने जैसे बोला है कि मैंने सब 1 minute level पे भी gaps अगर हैं तो I try to mark them, and it really has helped me in kind of scoring more profitable trades in the process. So yeah, I think that is. I'll just revise this volume imbalance just with the candle, ignoring the candle's body, but just the X on the 1 hour. Yeah, so let's switch to 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Yeah, this is one sudden move. So again, there's this fair value gap bullish. So I'll just not mark this because it's part of the volume imbalance, but where should mark it? And I'm going to further refine the volume imbalance to 30 minutes. This is the only area where there's no body. And again, this is a larger area for volume imbalance, but yeah, I'll switch to 15 minutes. 15 minutes again, this is a one sudden move, so there's multiple value gaps market has created. I think best would be that market opens like somewhere like flat, comes down to this 52,000 levels, takes support, right? And show us that it's staying above this. That's when you can start selling the puts for these upward targets of this gap. I think that's what's more logical actually. Yeah, I think downside, I think if it breaks 52,000 and ये जो एक छोटा सा fair value gap है around 52, 52,000 and basically 51,900 levels. If market a candle अगर इसके नीचे close कर रही है, that's when you can start to think about this this as a target. But until unless 5190 के नीचे मार्केट नहीं निकलती है, सस्टेन नहीं करती है, आई डोंट थिंक शॉर्ट सेलिंग करनी चाहिए आज के दिन. So let's switch to 5 minutes. Yeah, I think 51,900 is, to me, is a key level. उसके नीचे के order block भी है around 51,800 levels. So yeah, until unless ये जो कैंडल है मार्केट इसके नीचे डिसाइसिवली नहीं जा रही, I don't think I'll be taking any short trade. So this is a bullish order block. So that's an important point. Let's switch to 1 minute. Yeah, I don't think there's anything else on this, but just wanted to share this with you. Again, be careful not to take large positions today because of this news inflow. Markets can swing like both ways. But if you are in the trade and अगर आप positive हो तो then use these as your targets. So yeah, we'll see how this day kind of progresses and how much volatile it is. It will be very interesting. So yeah, thanks for watching, and please do subscribe and give this video a like. Thank you.